From automating digital products to generating content, AI is making it easier than ever to build real income online with less time and effort. In this video, you'll discover the smartest, most effective ways people are using AI right now to create side hustles, scale businesses, and unlock passive income opportunities. Let's dive into the future of earning online. 10. AI-powered translation services. Thanks to tools like DeepL and Google Translate, multilingual translation is no longer limited to professional linguists. Freelancers are using AI to translate blog posts, websites, product descriptions, and even subtitles for YouTube or TikTok. By pairing AI-generated translations with basic editing, they deliver fast and cost-effective services on platforms like Fiverr and Upwork. It's one of the easiest ways to earn globally without speaking multiple languages fluently. 9. Chatbot development for small businesses. As more businesses move online, the demand for 24/7 customer service is growing. Entrepreneurs are creating smart, automated chatbots using tools like Chatbase, ManyChat, and ChatGPT API. These bots handle customer queries, process orders, and even qualify leads without human supervision. With little coding knowledge required, chatbot builders are charging setup fees and offering ongoing support as a subscription model, a perfect recurring revenue stream. 8. Resume and cover letter writing services. Writing tools like ChatGPT are now being used to craft standout resumes and cover letters for job seekers. Side hustlers gather client details through simple questionnaires, then generate customized documents tailored to specific industries and roles. Some offer LinkedIn optimization and interview prep as well, turning a simple AI-generated file into a premium service. It's fast, scalable, and in constant demand. 7. Selling AI-generated artwork. With platforms like Midjourney and DALL*E, anyone can create stunning digital art using just a few text prompts. These pieces are then sold on Etsy, Gumroad, or print-on-demand marketplaces like Society6 and Redbubble. Popular categories include fantasy art, abstract designs, custom portraits, and niche wall art. It's a dream side hustle for creative minds, and it doesn't require traditional artistic skills to start. 6. AI consulting for solopreneurs and startups. Business owners are curious about AI but don't always know how to implement it. That's where AI consultants come in. Freelancers are offering one-on-one sessions or packaged services showing how to integrate AI tools like Notion AI, ChatGPT, and Zapier to streamline tasks, automate marketing, and boost productivity. It's a high-value offering that doesn't require you to be a programmer, just a good communicator who understands the tools. 5. AI-enhanced freelance writing. Freelancers are using ChatGPT and Jasper to supercharge their writing process. These tools generate drafts, headlines, outlines, and keyword-rich content at lightning speed. Writers then step in to refine and personalize the work. This increases output and allows writers to take on more clients or build content agencies. From blogs to newsletters to ad copy, AI is turning writing into a more efficient and profitable business. 4. Affiliate marketing with AI blogs. Affiliate marketers are now building content-rich blogs where all the articles, reviews, and product guides are written with AI. Once they choose a niche, they generate optimized posts with ChatGPT, affiliate links, and drive traffic using SEO or social media automation. Email follow-ups and newsletters are also handled with AI. Once the system is running, these sites can earn passive income month after month. 3. Creating and selling digital products. AI tools are making it easy to create and sell digital products like ebooks, printables, templates, and guides. ChatGPT helps with the writing. Canva AI takes care of the design. Zapier or Gumroad automates delivery. Creators upload their products to marketplaces like Etsy or Shopify and watch the sales come in with little effort. It's scalable, creative, and ideal for those who want to build a passive income stream from scratch. 2. Print on demand using AI design. Print on demand is one of the easiest ways to launch a product-based business without inventory. Now, with AI, you can generate unique t-shirt designs, wall art, stickers, and mugs using tools like DAL*E and Midjourney. ChatGPT helps with witty slogans and niche research. Once uploaded to platforms like Teespring or Printful, the entire process, from printing to shipping, is handled for you. You earn a profit every time someone makes a purchase. 1. Faceless YouTube channels powered by AI. At the top of the list is the booming world of faceless YouTube automation. Creators are building full channels without showing their face, recording their voice, or even editing manually. Scripts are written with ChatGPT. Voiceovers are done using tools like 11 Labs. Video editing is handled by platforms like Pictory or Runway. These channels focus on evergreen topics like finance, productivity, or tech, and once monetized, they generate income from ad revenue, affiliate links, and sponsorships. With the right strategy, one person can manage multiple channels and scale quickly. From content creation to automation, consulting to design, AI is changing the rules of online income. These aren't get-rich-quick schemes. They're systems that combine your effort and creativity with smart tools to unlock new levels of efficiency and earning potential. If you've ever dreamed of working online or starting a business, now is the perfect time. AI has leveled the playing field, and the only thing missing is your first move. Let me know in the comments section below. What do you think of our video? If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also, subscribe to our channel before you go. Thank you for watching.